Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today we're going to be learning how to create a SuperUser. So this is the beginnings of your admin page. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. So as we learned last time, we ran dir and we saw where our manage file is. So we need to jump into our my site. So I go cd my site. Then manage py is right there, and let's just go ahead and get this SuperUser going so we can start and create. And let's just make sure we got the command right. Create SuperUser. Okay, manage.py create SuperUser. All right. User leave blank to use SAMUE. So we're just going to do SAM. All right, email address. And we are going to use our handy dandy Python Basics YT. Oops. Okay. Why did that not go through? Python Basics YT at gmail.com. Then our password is, did I just say password? Our password is going to be 12345. And check it again, 12345. So nobody hack into this. Oh, they've changed this. Okay, so let's see. It needs to be at least 8 characters. This password is too common and is entirely numerical. All right, let's do password validation, create the user anyway. Yes. All right, so there we are. So next video, real super quick video today, finishing out Friday. So what we're going to do is we're going to then be dipping our toe into HTML. We're going to be starting next week. The live streams are going awesome. We have a lot of new people, and HTML can be very, very challenging. It can be overloading. You have to track everything, but like everything else, I have a way to make it simple, and I got some templates for us, and we'll get through it together. So please make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, the notification bell, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for me. And as always, guys, if you have any comments, questions, video requests, I've really had some really cool video requests, but the new way we're doing things, it's going to take a while to get to those because we're going to finish out Django, and I think we already said we're going to do more pandas, I think, but I'll have to go look back at one of those polls. But we're just like always, we're clicking through one video at a time. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video, and if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.